Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how you can enable sensitive content on Telegram. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe. Without further ado, let's jump into video. iOS mouse pointer for your easy navigation. And please remember, this option is not visible in Telegram mobile application. So we have to go Telegram web through your web browser. So you can choose whatever browser you need to do. First, I like to use Samsung browser. Then just tap on it and go to Google. Then you need to search for Telegram web. It is right here. Tap on it. You can choose the first option, Telegram web. Currently I am logged into my Telegram account. If you see enter your phone number for login, you need to enter your phone number for your Telegram account. After login, you can see there is 3 lines in top left corner. Just tap on it and go to setting. Okay, there is an option called privacy and security. Just tap on it and you need to scroll down a little bit until you find sensitive content. Currently it is turned off, so that means enable the sensitive content. If you need to disable the filtering, just tap on it, then the tick will appear. So then it is disabled the filtering. Then you can see the sensitive content in Telegram. So that's all about today's video. I hope you gain some knowledge from this. Thank you very much.